This is a walk along tutorial on Flat.io, a music scoring program that could be used online. So when you now type Flat.io, you need to create an account or sign up with Google. If you're not good at remembering passwords, I suggest you sign up with Google. So I am already signed in. If you're not seeing this page, you can simply click on the icon with the note to create a score. So this is a test walkthrough. So I name my score test. And from here we can add instruments. You should add your instruments by order of melody instruments first. So melody on top, instruments are playing melody. Then below that you will have rhythm instruments that play chords such like guitar, keyboard, bass guitar. And below that you will have percussion instruments like trap set, tambourine, etc. So I want to add a vocals. Vocals will be carrying my melody. And I want to add a keyboard instrument. So you will notice that only these two are available for free. The rest is paid. So I am only talking about the free version. And you simply press create. Now depending on the speed of your internet, it's how fast the page will load, and the speed of your computer, because it is a online program. The pros of using an online program is that it saves your work automatically, and if you go somewhere and you need to access your score, you could simply go to Flat.io and sign into your account and you'll be able to access your information. So here we are on our music score. And I will walk through the icons on top. So we have each icon on top here will give us different options. We have notes, and in notes we will have different note values. We could go up an octave, come down, and we could add sharps, flats, etc. In articulation, you can add different note symbols. So we just have to click on each one of these. Now we have some dynamic marks here. For CXC purpose, you need to add this to your score. You'll get more marks for dynamics and articulation. And measures, if you want to add more bars, take away bars, delete bars. And we could change the clef, the key signature. So right now, we are in C major. You have no sharps and flats. So I want to put in G major with one sharp. You just click on it. And you click on this if you want to put verse, chorus, introduction. You add this to your score. So for the first part, I could just click on that. I could press A or I could write text. So I go in with A for now. So you just have to click on the icons and you'll be able to do different things. To add notes, you go back to the first one. And I want to write a whole note. I could either click on it or type 1 on my keyboard. So I write in 1 on my keyboard and it will change to a whole note rest. To add a pitch, you either slide over it, and I could go up and down on the arrow on the keyboard to change the pitch. So when I go up and go down, If you're not seeing this virtual keyboard below, you can access it over here. Now the good thing about the keyboard is that it helps you to pick out notes sometimes. So once you change your rhythm pattern for your rest here, right? So the teardrop is where we are on the score. I can simply click on the keyboard below and you will notice that they are numbered next to the keyboard. The higher the number, so this is C7, the higher the pitch. If you don't want that note, you click undo, right? So when you're now learning, you have to click this button a lot. It is your best friend when you're now learning. So I could just click undo and that will disappear. So as I was saying, when you are typing on the keyboard, you could actually type letters. So the alphabet have 7 letters. So I could type E and the pitch E will come up. I could also click the keyboard below. Since I have a rhythm there already, it will just follow the rhythm. So I'm clicking the keyboard below and all the pitches changing. So if you want to hear what you have written, you could either press space bar on the keyboard or you can click the play button on top here. So we learn how to write notes. Now music have harmony. So the easiest way to write the harmony is to take the mouse and go over the note, or since we're on the keyboard and I put the teardrop where I want to go, you can just click on the keyboard below. An easy way to add harmony is chords moving thirds from here, 1, 2, so I'll add C. And that's how you'll get harmony. You can add more notes and make it a whole chord. Now if you're not good with notes on the bass clef, just using the up and down arrow will help you. When you write a pitch, you can just go up and down and you basically use your ears or you use the keyboard below. Now when you have finished, you just go finish working for the day. You don't have to worry about saving your work. The next time you log in, you click on the flat icon in the corner here, and all the scores that you have been working on will be here. Now since this is the free version, we only have 15 scores available, which will be enough for your needs, right? So you just have to click here to access back the score. Now when you click the 3 buttons, you have more options here. You can share it with people. You could get the link, copy a private link and share it via email, where you can add somebody to view and edit. So you may have to send it to somebody for whatever reason, and that's how you're getting that. So I'm clicking this to open back the score. And you will see, like I said before, depending on your speed of the internet. So it saves the work automatic. Now I want to show you how to copy and paste. You click on a note where you want to copy, and you press shift on the keyboard and go across. Undo. Right. So I put the teardrop where I want to go. Shift and across, and you highlight all the notes you want. I could either press the R button on the keyboard, the letter R for repeat, and I will carry that rhythm to the next bar. If I want to copy it, since it's highlighted already, go on top here and press the plus sign or cursor, just like in Microsoft Word, and I could go and paste it. Click on a bar that says empty or where I want to put it, and I click paste. So sometimes this will come in handy if you have the same rhythm but the notes are different. So that's how to copy and paste. When you are finished with your work, you can download it. You have these different options. You can download the audio, and then you can download the PDF for when you're finished and you need to print your work. So that's just basically a run through in how to use Flat.io to score music and create composition and arrangement. So good luck scoring.